Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Filipino ebook before it's gone.
Hi everybody, my name is Kat. Welcome to the 2000 Core Filipino Words and Phrases video series. Each lesson will help you learn new words, practice, and review what you've learned. Okay, let's get started. First is alergia, allergy, alergia, alergia, allergy, alergia sa pollen, allergy to pollen, alergia sa pollen. Boarding pass, boarding pass, boarding pass, boarding pass, boarding pass. Boarding pass po. Boarding pass please. Boarding pass po. Edukasyon, education, edukasyon, edukasyon, education, edukasyon at pagsasanay, education and training, edukasyon at pagsasanay. Ingles, English, Ingles, Ingles, English. Si Ginoong Suzuki ay nagtuturo ng Ingles. Mr. Suzuki teaches English. Si Ginoong Suzuki ay nagtuturo ng Ingles. Batas, law, batas, batas, law. Pag-aaral tungkol sa batas, law school. Pag-aaral tungkol sa batas. Flauta, flute, flauta, flauta, flute. Pilak na flauta, silver flute. Pilak na flauta. IT department, IT department, IT department, IT department, IT department. Tawagan ang IT department. Call the IT department. Tawagan ang IT department. Business trip, business trip, business trip, business trip, business trip. Pumunta sa isang business trip. Go on a business trip. Pumunta sa isang business trip. Marketing, 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 marketing. Sa marketing ako nagtatrabaho. I work in marketing? Sa marketing ako nagtatrabaho. Popular. 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 Popular na tao. Popular man. Popular na tao. Let's review. Respond to the prompts by speaking aloud. First, you will hear a word or phrase in English. Respond in Filipino, then repeat after me, focusing on pronunciation. Ready? Do you remember how to say allergy? Alergia. Alergia. And how to say boarding pass. Boarding pass. Boarding pass. What about education? Edukasyon. Edukasyon. Do you remember how to say English? Ingles. Ingles. Let's try law. Batas. Batas. What about flute? Plauta. Plauta. Now, let's see if you remember how to say IT department. IT department. IT department. Another one. What about business trip? Business trip. Business trip. Do you remember how to say marketing? Marketing. Marketing. And finally, do you remember how to say popular? Popular. Popular. Well done! See you next time! Paalam!